Hi good guys, this is your good game Maverick Manguera. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Gold Residences located across NAIA Terminal 1. So it's a prime location that provides local and international connectivity. So malapit na lang din tayo sa mga transport infrastructures such as NAIA X, SLEX, and Cavitex. So mas mapapabilis yung transfer natin from other NAIA terminals. And also mapapabilis din yung biyahe natin papuntang MOA and entertainment cities. So Gold Residences is also located near entertainment hubs such as Okada, City of Dreams, and Sulair.
So guys, pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa construction site para mabigyan namin kayo ng construction update ni Gold Residences.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa actual site ni Gold Residences. So bibigyan namin kayo ng update about sa construction. So tara, samahan nyo.
Ang kagandahan dito sa Gold Residences is that the kitchen comes with granite countertop, overhead cabinets, cooktop, and range hood. It also includes a 7 kg front-load washing machine. The toilet and bath has floor-to-ceiling tiles, vanity counter, and of course a shower set. Then ang unit na matatanggap mo ay meron ng tiles, cemented wall finish, and a skim coat ceiling finish. This one-bedroom unit comes with wood laminated sliding door. If ever naman you decide to get a unit with balcony, it comes with aluminum railing with powder coating.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa roof deck ni Gold Residences. So, tanaw natin dito yung airport. Ngayon naman guys, puntahan naman natin yung showroom natin dito sa Gold Residences para makita natin yung scale model and yung upgraded unit natin dito.
Gold Residences is a mixed-use development incorporating residential, commercial, and office. It consists of Phase 1 and 2 and has 3 and 5 residential towers respectively. Both has 15 residential floors and 55 average units per floor. The theme is more on the modern yet Asian tropical urban design. Ibig sabihin, the corridors and streetscapes has these natural building shades that promotes walkability that is perfect for a first world vibe. The vast green landscape is blended with amenities that includes the following.
So now let's take a tour sa one bedroom upgraded unit ni Gold Residences.